In this video, we are going to solve the sums based on volumes and surface area of solids. So mainly we will first take in the first part the cylinder, how to calculate the volume and surface area of cylinder, both surface areas, curved surface area as well as total surface area. Now, by now we know that the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We have done these formulas, we have learned these formulas in the introductory video. So based on these formulas, we are going to solve the sums now. Our first sum is to find the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder, for which the height is given and radius is given. So first we will find the curved surface area. We know the formula of curved surface area, that is 2 pi r and h. Now our h is 16 and r is 10.5. So we will substitute here. So curved surface area will be 2 into 22 by 7. R is, we can write it as 105 by 10 into h is 16, right? So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 5 threes are, and 5 twos are. This 2 and this 2 will go. So we are left with curved surface area is equal to 66 into 16. So that is equal to 1056 centimeter square. Now we have to find the total surface area, and we know that curved surface area is always the part of the total surface area. So that is curved surface area plus the areas of top and bottom, and we know that the top and bottom of the cylinder are circles, so their areas is, there are two circles, so 2 pi r square, as the formula says. You have seen that curved surface area is 2 pi r h, which is this part, plus 2 pi. This part we have calculated this part as 1056 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 5 threes are, 5 twos are. 2 and 2 will go, and here also 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 11s are. So our total surface area is 1056 plus, this becomes 33 into 21, 33 into 21. So your total surface area becomes 1056 plus 693. So total surface area is equal to 1056 plus 693 is 1749 meter square. Right? Now we have another data given here for the same thing, that we have to calculate curved surface area and total surface area. So let's calculate first the curved surface area. So which is 2 pi r h. We have r and we have h also. So curved surface area will be 2 into 22 by 7. R is 21 into h is 5. So 7 threes are 21. So this becomes 44 into, okay, 3 twos are 6 into 22 into 5. So your curved surface area becomes 6 into 110, 22 into 5. So finally this is 660 centimeter square. So you have found the curved surface area. Now you have to find total surface area. So that is equal to curved surface area plus 2 pi r square. So total surface area is, you can directly put this value 660 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into your R is 21 into 21. So 7 3s are 21. So finally you are left with 660 plus 3 2s are 6 into 22 into 21. So this becomes 6 2s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12 and 13 into 21 plus you have this 660. So 132 into 21 is 2772, which is equal to your 3432 centimeter square, right? Then we have another situation. Here you have to be very careful. You have to match the units, right? Here we had height was also given in centimeters, radius was also given in centimeters. Here also, but here the height is given in meters and radius is given in centimeters. So you need to convert either this or this. So let's convert this height into centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? Now we are safe. So we can calculate curved surface area as 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7, my R is 14 by 10 into H is 100. So this and this will go, 7 2s are 14. So finally I am left with 22 into 2s are 44 into 2s are 88 into 10, which is 880 centimeter square. So I have found the curved surface area. Now I need to find the total surface area, which is equal to curved surface area plus 2 pi r square. So my total surface area is 880 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 14 by 10 into 14 by 10. So this 7 will cut this 2. So we will finally have my total surface area as 88, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 22 is 88 into 14 divided by 100. So your total surface area is equal to, this will be plus 880. So this will be 12.32 plus 880. So finally your total surface area is equal to 892.32 centimeter square, right? In this case, you are going to find the volume of the cylinder and your H and R is given. So we know the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. It is pi r square H, right? So H is also given and R is also given. So we will substitute the values. 22 by 7 into R is 5 into 5 into 21. So 7 3s are 21. So your volume is 3 into 22s are 66 into 25. So that is 1650 centimeter cube. Remember, the unit of volume is cube because you are multiplying 3 quantities at a time, 2 radii and 1 height. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter cube. Another situation, here the diameter is given, but you know that you don't need diameter, you need radius. So we will calculate the radius out of the diameter. How? We know that radius is equal to diameter upon 2. So 28 upon 2 is 14. So we got our radius as 14 and our H is 40 centimeters. So let's calculate the volume. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 40. So 7 2s are 14. So finally we have 22 into 2s are 44 into 40 into 14. So volume is equal to this, and this is 1760 into 14, which is equal to 24640 centimeter cube. So your volume is 24640 centimeter cube.